I did my job. I made them run.
Yeah. You can tell they're scared.
Both signups were backing up. They're like, "Yep, he's. What is he? What is he doing? What is he doing?"
He has cooties. He has cooties.
As that one signup is getting wailed on by me.
That's like got fires on him too. Ooh, that looks like it hurt.
Yeah, it didn't feel that great.
Oh,
Don't go broadside.
I don't want to be broadside, but I got to turn around.
Why?
Because I don't want to go in against two BBs.
You're in the BB.
Yeah, but
Doesn't make two BBs don't make it right.
actually, it's three BBs and a cruiser.
Yeah, you're dead. Might get the York though.
Maybe.
Ooh,
Ooh, good slap out of it.
There wasn't even a Citadel either.
Really?
Citadel. Yeah. Hi, Sir. Sir Delic. How you doing?
Oh, there's a Nagato too? What the hell?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I did say that we have all the fucking BBs over the side.
So the other side should be steamrolling them. I don't know why they're not.
Yeah, I don't know.
In theory.
They got a Sharni on the enemy side that's running into the very far backfield.
Yeah.
And
we're losing this game. Tell me how we're losing.
Somehow our sub is doing more work on the other side than a Colorado, Dallas, New Orleans, and Nagato.
Okay, I need to try and go dark and try and spot that. Use my sub surveillance. Yep, there you go. You go back to the cap. Well, our spawn cap. Yeah, good luck, man.
Okay, while Maddie tries to survive, I'm gonna get pop.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Oh, Helena's over there as well. Beautiful. You know. I need to spot that sub. How's the gaming going? The game's been gaming. Same shit, different day, honestly, but. Yes, sir. It's such a like a breathy language. And it looks like the New Orleans has a cache a lot. The sub should be good, which means I didn't come over from completely. Oh, fucking stick of keys.
Our team at A really just die.
Yep.
So confused.
Yep. Same. Fuck. Undetect. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, the hell has gone dark as well. God damn it. Ow. Something touched my butt. I don't know if I liked it. I definitely do need. Come on. Come on, how do you AA on? I don't want you, Nagato. Give me the Helena. Give me the Helena and no one else gets hurt. It's a stick up. Give me the Helena. No one else gets hurt.
The problem with your this is stick up is you're probably going in there for your finger pointed as a gun.
Yeah, pretty much. That was my whole plan. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's running away! I just ran the fucking Helena! Oh, fire on the Nagato. Now I'm running out of map. Just trying. Oh, the net! Oh!
That looked like it hurt.
Yeah, it tickled. I spotted
Okay,
something.
back.
Welcome back. Whatever.
Hey, Maddie, would you kill me if I did the popo right now?
Yes. I would put you in the naughty corner. And that's a promise. Hey, fuck off,
I mean-
fuck off.
You've already threatened me with beans for yesterday's War Thunder joke.
That is true. That is very true. Oh, I'm so dead to this Nagato.
What'd you say? I want to hear it.
Yeah, what'd you say? Hey?
Viper,
What?
what was the joke?
Oh, it wasn't a joke. It was what I did.
Oh, what'd you do?
This.
You're an a-hole. The fact that I'm
live too.
not dead. Oh, never mind.
Oh.
Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, so close. I took about a K off him.
That's just like when you have Clap jump in the love sack, right?
Yeah, but he doesn't do it while he's in a fucking game.
Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. I do it to clap too. Don't worry.
Yeah, but mid-game?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll do the clap too. Why do you think he makes me eat so many beans?
True. True.
Kidding me?
Alright, we'll go 8 this time.
You know Wookiee? Wookiee Legend?
Yeah.
People will make him do the workouts right in the middle of battle.
Oh.
That's brutal. Yeah. So, like, with my burpees and everything, I'm like, I'm doing them after fucking the battle. Because I cannot push them out
right?
fucking quick enough to fucking to do anything.
What are you guys running?
Sherberg.
What are you running, Viper?
Ooh.
That.
Salmon.
Oh, I can't. So, damn it.
What?
You were going to
No, I'll do it next game. I'll start running this Tashiel.
No, run it now. Run whatever you want to play.
No, I only play a Tashiel when someone's playing a BB. Because then I'm guaranteed at least
I
one.
can change over to my
BB.
massive
No,
two-shit.
you're good. You're good. You're good. I might pick something else
Look,
here.
look, honestly, I'm just a little battleship. That I'm just.
Yeah, but problem with
what?
Tashiel is
But
problem with Tashiel is they kind of can't hit cruisers with torps. Should I run a carrier?
Yeah.
if you want.
I dare you, Nate.
You dare me?
I dare you.
I double dog dare you. Oh wow.
I bet Maddie has a shit list written down next to her computer, and the top of it is Viper, Popo two times during games.
Yeah, you're on my naughty list. So just before Christmas, I double check it. Ooh, time for your cargo. Get your torpedoes ready and aimed. Nice. Let's go.
people are gonna hate our div.
I'm sure they'd hate it anyway.
That. If I knew how to make blurbs, I would totally make a blurb for that.
It's probably out there already. I think Naughty might have done it.
Probably.
We got one of her sneezing.
There's so many of me sneezing now.
I like the R2D2 one.
that still comes out every now and again. Oh yes, we are top tier. Let's go.
Hey, I'm not the best CV player, so yeah.
That's fine. I'm not the best player.
Yeah, I'm not the best player either, but
low expectations
hell?
but high morale. That's the way we should be playing games. Low expectations but high morale.
I'm gonna go to A because there's less islands for me to navigate around.
Going to A?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck, there's 3 BBs going to Alpha. Too bad everyone does not play with that attitude. And yeah, I know it does suck, but it is what it is.
I probably should go to D, but
for D's nuts. Oh, I'm a child. I'm going to go to D just to try and balance out the mini-map a little bit.
I think I will head to D, actually, because
there's already a sub over at Alpha. But you could just wolf pack it.
Oh, look, the TV found me. It's okay.
Yeah, don't worry too much.
I mean, it's the beginning of the game.
Hi, Bulldog. Turn right, Clyde. Oh, wait, wrong channel. Oh, goodness. Wait, Clyde's on the other side? No. Like, what? How's your day been, Bulldog?
What the hell? My fucking carrier ran to the island.
This could be worse. This could be a lot worse.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're a gentleman and a scholar. How you doing at 28, Jonathan? Oh, it's been Quack-a-Lack, and thank you so much for subscribing for 5 months with your Prime. Absolutely fucking amazing. 4:30 a.m. and the cat woke me up because meow, give me food. I have the dogs. Alright, chill the fuck out, will you?
Your dogs really hate people.
They do. They love Clap Daddy. Apart from when Clap Daddy is giving them a Dutch oven. But, yeah. You know. Like, they do love people. They just, they like to know who the person is first. Oh, only one overpen? That's fucked.
Oh. What is our GD? Oh, it's on left fast attack. Go figure.
I don't know if DDs know what they're doing, let alone...
Capstar.
And... Really? 2.5? Right.
Ouch. That Colorado hates me.
Jack Russell? No. No, Muzzy. I have 2 sausage dogs.
Boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
And they are adorable. They are super snuggly and just amazing little creatures. But it's a sausage dog trait that they bark a lot. And I knew that buying, like, when I adopted them, I knew it, but,
Ooh, that Colorado just got smacked.
Yeah, that was by me.
Okay.
Nice.
7 torpedoes.
7?
7 torpedoes hit it.
Jesus.
Alright, well,
Noisy and durable, like Maddie. Thanks, Buddhist. That means a lot. Tell me what is there? Ooh, I see a little nose popping out. Oh, got radar. I'm just gonna fucking bow tank this whole thing. Alright, go on. Why you babies going in? I'm just a little cruiser. But yeah, no, you are correct, Buddhist.
Okay, I gotta back off from Tormentino in the backfield.
Yeah, please fucking Kansas, oh no, do something. I'm not a complete fucking battleship, mate. I'm just a battle cruiser. Oh yeah, 5k off the Edinburgh.
Torpedoes, dead ahead. Torpedoes, direct front.
Oh, Bubbles is on 110 stream streak. Jeez, that's wild. I hear that lightning. I don't have hydro to. When you get a second. Oh, fucking subs right here.
I'm coming to help you with the sub.
Oh, look, it's probably not gonna do much. I'm gonna eat fucking 6 of these torps right here.
Their sub is trying to do what I did.
Yeah, well, I
But
gave him a
he's
couple.
less effective. He's less effective than me.
I got 45 seconds. Damn it.
Need caps.
Yeah, well, I'm currently dealing with the fucking submarine right here.
I'm coming. I'm right behind you.